On Sunday, the 1st of August, we want to remind you to celebrate Support Your Priest Sunday. This is a chance for us to really say to our priests that we care about you, we recognise that we get access to the sacraments. And this is an invaluable grace. But at Divine Renovation, we recognise that they are also a minister of the Word and a leader of the people. We want to acknowledge them as such and encourage them and let them know the critical role they play for us and our families. My mother died a few years ago, and it was very, very important for her to have a priest come to give her the last rites. So the priests are a very, very important part of our faith. We've gone through COVID lockdowns when we've been unable to get to the sacraments, to get to reconciliation or to get to Mass. And it just really has reinforced how important it is to have these good holy priests that are there prepared to offer the sacraments for us. In order to celebrate Support Your Priest Sunday, we're recommending that you join us for a novena of prayer for 9 days leading up to the 4th of August. So from the 27th of July, we're going to be sending out reminders about joining us in a novena of prayer for our local parish priest. Another way that you could support your priest is by letting them know that you care, writing them a letter, sending them an email, perhaps sending a text message to let them know that you're praying for them, buying them a gift, a bottle of wine or a carton of beer, or something that's meaningful for them, something to let them know that they're loved, they're appreciated, they're respected, and that they're an important part of our parish and an important part of our lives. It would be really wonderful if you could join with us at Divine Renovation and Parousia Media to pray in earnest for our priest as we lead up to the feast day of St. John Vianney on the 4th of August. So join with us and let our priests know that their priesthood is important to us.